There's a lot of things on this campus that are great, lots of great buildings, lots of great facilities. But what I was looking for was to do something that's different or unique or specific. And that's how we settled in on this Bloomberg Finance Lab. And I just thought it was unique and something that Wesleyan didn't have, and that's something that we could really benefit from.
We're here mainly to say thank you to Greg and Carrie for their generosity in this gift. This whole facility would not exist without their vision first and then their leadership in making it happen.
I thought to myself, finance lab sounds a little bit boring. I kind of pictured a room down in the basement somewhere, couldn't really picture what it would look like, but now that I've seen it and I've learned more about it and I understand what a competitive advantage it'll really give the students when they graduate with a hard skill like a Bloomberg certification, I think it's awesome.
And it's not just for finance majors or accounting majors or economics majors. It touches a whole cadre of other majors. If you're talking about Ivy League schools or Stanford or Northwestern or some of those level schools that have these types of facilities, I think by having it helps catapult Illinois Wesleyan up in that region.
It's going to be foundational as part of the finance, the accounting courses, all the way through to investments, and then the capstone course with portfolio management. So it is going to literally have compound learning for the students throughout their time here at Illinois Wesleyan. So again, thank you, Greg and Carrie, for allowing us to add something special to the resume to our students and really make them competitive.
I had no idea it was going to be this prominent on campus and this beautiful on display. I work in finance, so I know what Bloombergs are and I know what we use them for, but this is unbelievable. There's a lot of people here who did a lot of work to get to where we are now. All I did was have the idea and make a contribution. Somebody else did all the work. And to those folks, I want to say thanks. I think this is an opportunity for the entire campus to be happy and benefit from. Thank you.